So today is March 27th. We went to our design center meeting this morning. A little bit of a stressful start because Curtis woke up with a migraine this morning, so he was almost not able to go to the appointment. So I actually left by myself, went with my dad for the first hour, and then thankfully he was able to show up when we actually started picking things out, walking through the showroom, which was perfect timing. It worked out, thank goodness. But I did film as much as I could. It was a lot to take in and a really hefty, long appointment. It was 3 hours long, so definitely took a lot of our morning. It was from 9 to about 12:15. We did get everything picked out, and we have not heard on the pricing of everything yet. She's supposed to email us by the end of today. Then we can look over it. We're going back next Saturday, so a week from today, going to finalize everything and just make sure that we're good to go with everything, and then we can change things too if we want. So I do think that we went above our budget that we had, but the reason being is that we did go with certain things that we didn't think we were. For example, we got all of our blinds to be put in before we move in, which was not as expensive as we were thinking it would be. We also went with them to get our refrigerator. We also thought that was going to be really expensive, but it's actually less expensive to go with them. So we did that, and obviously upgraded the countertops, the cabinets, did backsplash in the kitchen as well. So those were our main upgrades. We also upgraded the whole top floor. So we have our vinyl plank flooring throughout the whole top level. We don't know if we're going to keep that or if we're going to keep carpet in some of the rooms upstairs. We shall see in what pricing comes back as, but I just wanted to kind of intro this for you guys before I inserted the few clips that I did film. I'm going to try to do a voiceover in some of them because obviously I didn't bring my camera in there. I just filmed with my phone. I didn't want to film absolutely everything. You guys will see what it looks like when the house is done. We did also go to visit the house today, which was kind of fun. So they did backfill our lot. So they put all of the dirt back in, so around the house, so you don't like fall down like you used to be able to. So that was nice. And then they are moving pretty fast with framing. So we went about a week ago and there was only 2 houses on our street framed, and now there's like 6 houses framed. So we are 3 houses away from being framed. So hopefully within the next like week and a half to 2 weeks, I would imagine framing will start and hopefully be pretty much done in about like 3 to 4 weeks. And if we do go back to the lot, I will show you guys what the lot looks like with all of the dirt filled back in. I hope that you guys have been enjoying this process, and let's go ahead and get to the clips that I filmed with the design center. Before we get into the design center footage, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is PetSafe. They sent over their scoop-free self-cleaning litter box. I have been using this for over a month now, and I am absolutely in love. I cannot wait to tell you guys about this amazing litter box. If you guys have a cat or multiple cats, this is a total game changer. So as you can see, all you do is just fill up these litter trays, and they do have crystal litter, which has 5 times better odor control than your traditional clumping litter. They do also have replaceable litter trays that make changing the litter so easy and painless. The way that this litter box works is it does have a rake, as you can see in the middle there, and as soon as your cat leaves the litter box, it'll go ahead and rake all of the waste into that little compartment. It also tells you how many times your pet has come into the litter box. Depending on how many cats you have, depends on how often you have to change the litter itself. This litter box is also pretty much odor-free. I cannot smell anything, which is amazing. So if you guys have been looking for a new litter box for your cat, definitely check out PetSafe. I will have a link in the description box down below. I cannot recommend this to you guys enough. So now we are moving on to the design center. So this is what it looked like from our little desk area that we met with our designer at. So you can see the cabinet doors, some of the tile, and then over here was all of the vinyl plank flooring. So these were the first two options for flooring that we were looking at. One is definitely more brown toned and the other one is definitely a lot more gray toned, so warm and kind of cool toned. I really liked the left one, but we decided to end up going with a completely different one than those two that I just showed you. I liked how this one kind of had more of a mix of the grays and browns in it. This is our subway tile we are doing for our backsplash with black grout, and then these are our countertops and our cabinets. So we did upgrade to quartz countertops and we did get the white shaker cabinets. Pretty similar to what my kitchen looks like now. This is just what our flooring looks like in more of an open space, so you can get a better idea of what that'll look like. So here is our bathroom shower flooring. Our tile for our shower with black grout. You can see our Formica countertops, our paint color, and our carpet as well. This is actually going to be our sink, but it is going to be in the color of this double split sink. So you can see it's going to be black, and then we also upgraded to this little trash bin, which I'm so excited about. Just the simple things. And then these are going to be our doors, more of like a farmhouse type of look. This was the other one we were thinking about going with, but we ultimately chose the other one. You guys will have to let me know which one you like better in the comments down below. So I just wanted to show you guys the bathroom fixtures that we upgraded to. Normally it comes with chrome, which we really didn't want. And these, the very bottom ones, are the hardware that we went with. So black hardware, and this is kind of an overview of everything. So you can see our flooring and our carpet. This is going to be the countertops in the laundry room and the bathrooms downstairs, and also in the guest room upstairs. So a little overview of everything. I cannot wait to see everything come to life. The black grout is going to look so good in the kitchen and also in the bathroom. So this next clip just shows you guys the other flooring that we picked to put in the laundry room and the other bathrooms to save some money. So that is the bottom one right next to the carpet, and then just an overview of everything else again. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts of what you think of everything in the comments down below. Hello you guys, it is April 3rd. We're in the car getting ready to go to our second design center meeting. Curtis does not have a migraine this morning, thankfully, like last Saturday, even though he did get that one this morning at like 5 a.m., which is crazy. It is super sunny, as I'm sure you guys can see, but we are going to finalize everything at the design center today, put down 10% of what we picked, and then we're also going to go over to the house today because we haven't shown you guys anything that's happened. Nothing exciting has happened really in the last couple weeks. We did get all of our framing, like all the wood and lumber. Curtis went the other day. They have our address like spray painted on it, and we've always said it's going to be exciting the day that we see our address on them, and it happened this last week. So hopefully this next week we start framing, but I feel like you just never know with crazy COVID times. But our neighbor is getting framed right now. The house next to our neighbors though isn't getting framed. Did you see the other day if it was started? It was just kind of weird because everyone else on our street before us is getting framed except for the one like right in the middle, so that was kind of strange. We are hoping that our driveways got in poured for like a garage, so I had to pour concrete for that before they start framing the rest of the house. I kind of wanted to tell you guys what we are going to change in the design center. So we're actually getting rid of the flooring that we were going to do. We're going to get rid of that in the bedroom upstairs, the closet, and the bathroom. And then we're going to get rid of the bathroom flooring downstairs as well. Just going to go with the standard flooring down there. We did get master lighting, like a bunch of, what is that light even called?
Can lighting.
Yeah, it was like a bunch of can lighting that we got for the master. So a bunch of can lighting, we're taking that away. And then we wanted to do glass pantry doors, which honestly I don't think it's really gonna make that big of a deal. We upgraded the doors, which you guys saw at the last appointment, to more of like a farmhouse door. So we're just gonna keep that, and then if we want to down the road, we can DIY something. We're also getting rid of the cabinet glass panels that we got. So we got 2 of the glass doors, or 2 of the pantry, scratch that. We got 2 of the cabinet doors in the kitchen. We were gonna do them glass, but we got rid of those because we don't know how they're gonna look. We also originally got the cabinet, all of the cabinets staggered, but we also don't know how that's gonna look, so we got rid of that. So that's everything that we got rid of. And then the only thing that we're adding is an outlet in the pantry. The reason why we want to do this is because we didn't get the chef's kitchen, just because I don't think we really needed it. It was kind of an expensive upgrade, and I didn't like the hood that came with it. So if down the road we want to do like a DIY hood, we're gonna have to take out the microwave and the cabinets above the microwave. So we would need somewhere to put our microwave, which I feel like we'd have no place. I would not want it on top of the cabinets or on top of the countertops. So we're getting an outlet in the pantry for that, if down the road we need to do that. And then also she said it's kind of a good idea to do that if you want to put like a wireless vacuum cleaner or something, to have that just really close to your kitchen. So we did get it down, like just taking that stuff away was almost $4,300. So definitely glad we're taking some of that away. I don't think I told you guys in the last design center, but they do not have farmhouse sinks, which I was really sad about. So we're actually gonna ask about getting, like if it's gonna be cheaper to get like a double split sink instead of just one giant one, because that's what we're doing right now. So we shall see. Our appointment's at 1 o'clock, it's 12:41, and then we're gonna head over to the house, like I said, afterwards. We'll show you guys if there's any updates or anything. They poured the concrete for our garage. And they also poured it for the front porch, look. This will be our front porch and door right there. So you can see our neighbors are being framed. It's coming along. Did they? You can kind of see it from here. Yep, they poured all the basement as well. So cool. Cannot wait until our house is starting to get framed, so we can actually like walk in our house. That'll be cool. Today is April 25th. We're coming by. We brought some Sharpies to draw on our wood. We've got all of our framing up. This is the garage. Staircases in here. Brought my parents with us. Where's Mom? Oh, right there. So this is coming in. This is where our little mud bench will be right here.
One bedroom downstairs. It's not finished. So we're gonna. To do the workshop. Yeah. But we can put like storage there. Maybe make our utility room a little bigger.
Oh, so this will be the laundry room right here. This big.
What's right here, closet?
No, this is where the mud bench is going to be. We're going to build one, because straight in from the garage. And this is a closet? Or what is this?
There's not a door here, right? It just goes out? This one?
What?
This?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
This is the stairwell to the basement?
Yeah.
And then this directly in front of us is the study. Nope, this is our study.
Get ripped out shortly after we move in.
Yeah. We'll put in like you guys are doing in your house. Yeah, so this will be our study.
They wanted $2,200 for.
So this is front door right here. This will be where the entryway table that's downstairs. And then this will be the guest room over here. And look, we didn't realize that these windows came.
Oh, wow.
We thought, I'm glad it's not in our room, but yeah, we thought those were extra, but. So this will have a lot of good light in here. And then this is the bathroom. Tub and shower will go there. Vanity here, and then this is the closet right there.
So it's backwards from the mom.
Yep, it's backwards.
Might be worth it for us to walk by.
I was just telling Curtis we could talk to Jeff and see, because he's gonna put, you can see how he does ours.
Yeah.
With the wood and the, you know,
Going.
If he's
for
cheap
that
enough,
little
like-
teeny area, it's not that bad.
Yeah, our kitchen will be, the whole entire wall will be cabinets. Oh, they have little kids over there too. No, the sink will be right here on the island.
Yeah.
And then this will be our living room, and then master over there.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So, yep, I am now engaged. He just proposed. Oh man, so crazy. I did not expect that, but got a new ring and we got a new house.